Este tiene autostore ahorita.
Alright. You want to get the black one or the white one?
The black one.
The black one? Alright, yeah. Because it was black before, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, alright.
And this one, you have white?
Yep. Thank you. I'll let you know once they're ready, okay? Alright, thank you. iPad. Broken screen.
Oh, nice.
And also the phone. Okay, got it. And also here's our business cards, phone numbers on the card,
Okay.
and also if you scan the QR code, all the information for the store will show on your
Okay.
phone, okay?
Thank you.
Alright, thank you.
so
Have a
much.
nice day. Thank you. Alright.